So welcome to Honest Abe Living in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
I'm here with my wonderful son, Axel, and he wanted to get on here and help make one of his favorite recipes. Do you want to tell him what one of your favorite recipes is? Oh, a secret. Okay. Well, we're going to share his favorite recipe, and it's called Little Pigs in a Blanket, right? Yes, pigs in a blanket. So what you're going to need?
Are we going to eat the pigs in a blanket?
We are going to eat the pigs in the blanket. They're going to be delicious. So first, what do we need?
Hot dogs.
Little hot dogs. They're called little smokies. And one of our favorites, Crescent dough. So we're going to use these and the little smokies, and we're going to wrap them up in a nice little blanket, bake them real good so they're warm, and then they're going to be delicious, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's get cooking. Ready?
Yes, let's do cooking. Piggies in a blanket.
Secret piggies in a blanket. I love it.
Yeah!
So we're going to cut these in triangles and roll our little piggies up in blankets.
I want to be a triangle man.
You want to be the triangle man? Okay, so real quick, before you be a triangle man, let's just show them how we roll them up. So once you cut your crescent roll in a little triangle, you get you a little smokie. All right, and you set it down, and you're gonna roll it up. So once we roll them up, we're gonna put them on our baking sheet. Do you wanna put that one on? All right, so it's time to bake our pigs in a blanket, or our little smokies, and we're gonna bake them on 375 for 9 to 12 minutes. So let's get baking.